I'm Nicole Heart, and I make home remedy videos that save you money. Right here on YouTube, I release one home remedy video each day. On my channel, I'll show you what you can use lemons for. More than simply lemonade. I'll teach you how to use lemons to lighten blemish marks. I'll teach you how to use things that you find in your kitchen to save you money. For example, rosemary. Did you know that rosemary can be used for more than simply seasoning your food? You can use rosemary as a powerful anti-inflammatory. And what about olive oil? Olive oil has so many wonderful uses along with garlic. On my channel, I'm going to teach you how to use these things to save money. During this time, unlike any other, when prices are skyrocketing and we're seeing the highest level of inflation in the last 40 years, it's important that we save money, all of us. On this channel, I'm going to show you how to use garlic with a little bit of olive oil, and how you'll take these items and what you'll do with them and what you'll use it for. On this channel, I'll show you how to use salt and baking soda. What does a little salt and baking soda combined with the right oil produce that you can use daily? And mint. What about mint? Who doesn't enjoy the fresh scent of mint? Do you love the scent of mint? If you love the scent of mint, comment down below, and if you don't, let me know. But I love the scent of mint. Mint can be used for more than simply an herbal tea. You can use mint to help alleviate a headache if you know how to use it. I'll teach you how to make money-saving home remedies that are safe for you and your family. What about bay leaves? You have bay leaves around? Bay leaves are great for so many things, but not just gumbos. If you're interested in home remedy content, this is the channel for you.